Wow. Decals and destructions. So 172 Hurricane, 172 Lancaster, 172 Lancaster. And that what we got here. Type 2B U-boat. Decal instructions. Teardrop Typhoon. Cardor Typhoon. Tempest Decals. Look at that. Typhoon. No, Tempest Decals. Tempest Decals. RB. Roland Beaumont. There you go. This is Tempest as well. Tempest instructions. Smart 5 early version. JN751, I think, from memory. There's another early version. There you go. That's Pierre Closterman's. I've got first editions of his 3 books all signed up downstairs. French Ace wrote The Big Show. There's another Tempest Mark 5. Attacking a Train. That's the sort of stuff that B used to do. That's 56 Squadron. Supermarine Walrus. Now I've got the bits somewhere for that, but I don't know. Don't know if I got all the bits. Mark 1 Spitfire. Decals. What we got? What we got? What we got? Looky here. Oh, why do they do that? What? Why? Why? Why you got the white bits? Silly. God, you can never get them properly anyway. That's just Spitfire. Oh, pop them over there. Storms in the Sky Part 4. Well, I wonder. Is that Typhoon? Is that Tempest? What is that from? Who knows? Another Teardrop Typhoon. And the bubble canopy. Here goes another Typhoon. That's a 4-prop one. 4-blade prop. PRG R7752. There we go. That's B's. There's a Mark 1 Spit for 609 Squadron. Another Typhoon. And another Typhoon. PR. Who are we going to be? PRA, PRC, PRZ? Don't know. Don't know which one that relates to. But it's a 609 one. The Rebel Kit, DN406 PRF Mavis. The decals are all cracked. That's bad. Oh dear. What we got? Another Typhoon one or Tempest? Oh, got some cracked decals there as well. Oh, PRJ, that's got 609 marking. I've peeled them apart now. So that one isn't too bad, except of course all the decals have cracked and split. Look at that. Anyway, the numbers R7752 are okay. The letters PRG look okay. Cockpit decals and the individual markings are fine. So it's just my roundels and my fin flashers on that one. This one, the Spitfire's an absolute mess. I've got my Enfield Spitfire bits, they're okay. And the numbers and the fuselage codes seem to be alright. Not perfect. That's not good. All the little bits and bobs there look okay. There's one of those red patches damaged. The roundels absolutely trashed. Most of that's recovered and recoverable. Here we go. So this is for Cheval's aircraft. Apart from the little bits and bobs there, you know, the stenciling, we're okay. But that stenciling, it looks like the paper's on top of it. Possibly, yeah, that should come off in the soaking. So we have got away with it largely. It's just a bit annoying about that, but I suppose, well, those yellow bits I can paint. That's no problem. The roundels, I should be able to replace that. That sky band around the fuselage, that can be painted too. So I think I should get away with it. So kids, keep hold of those sheets of greaseproof paper.